This video is all about the PNB Zelo Mastercard, and of course, ang pag-uusapan natin dito mga kazap ay ang features, requirements, at fees ng credit card na to. Quick summary, this credit card is almost perfect for beginners and non-beginners. Kaya siya tinawag na Zelo because it comes with zero annual fee and low interest rate. Kaya lang, ika nga natin, you can't really have it all dahil ang credit card na to, it doesn't earn any rewards. Pero, kung wala ka naman pakialam sa rewards or points na pwede mo makuha sa isang regular na credit card, itong card na to ay perfect para sa'yo. Hello mga kazap, this is Marky De La Cruz and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Apart from payment convenience na madalas natin nakikita or natatanggap sa ating regular na credit card, this PNB Zelo Mastercard also comes with exciting features. Number 1 is the zero annual membership fee for life. So napakaganda ng feature na yan ng Zelo Mastercard. Number 2 is the zero late payment fees. Number 3, zero over limit fees. Number 4 is the lower finance charge. Currently at 1.88% lang, nananatili pa rin na ang PNB ay isa sa may pinakamababang finance charge sa industriya ng credit card. Ang lima mga kasap is the low minimum amount due, only 2.5% of the total due or 200 pesos, whichever is higher. Next is the free membership fee for all supplementary credit cards. Napakaganda rin ng feature na to dahil hindi ka na mamroblema sa annual fee ng supplementary cards natin. Next is you can pay your bills in peso even for transaction abroad. Next is the global and online acceptance. And last but not the least is the contactless payments. Dito pa lang sa features ng Zelo Mastercard, mapapawaw ka na kasi sobrang daming benefits ang pwede nating makuha dito. Kaya good job PNB Zelo Mastercard. Kaya lang ang downside nito dahil meron siyang zero annual fee, meron din tayong zero rewards. Kasi nga, sobrang dami naman ng benefits, di ba? Para sa mga big spenders natin dyan, medyo hindi maganda tong credit card na to at mapapakamot na lang tayo sa ating ulo dahil wala tayong matatanggap na points or rewards sa credit card na to. At isa pa sa downside ng credit card na to mga kasap, medyo mababa po ang ating credit limit. Hindi ko lang alam mga kasap sa iba kung magkano ang kanilang credit limit, pero for the sake of this video, ang akin guys credit limit ay 35,000 lang po. Pero not bad mga kasap kasi malaking bagay na ang 35,000 pesos without annual fee. So this card is for keeps na rin for long time, no? To apply for PNB Zelo Mastercard or any PNB credit cards, you must consider these qualifications and requirements. Una sa list natin mga kasap ay you must be 21 to 65 years old. And ang pangalawa natin ay ang annual income natin na may at least 120,000 pesos. For those who are employed, private man or government, or for those who are self-employed or may sariling negosyo, and for those who are foreign national, you must check my description box. Andyan lang guys yung qualifications and requirements natin. Medyo madami kasi mga kasap, hindi ko naiisa-isahin dyan. Basahin nyo na lang mga kasap kung saan kayo category na papasok dyan. For application of PNB Zelo Mastercard, although you may apply at the bank itself upon your visit, there is nothing more convenient than doing it online. Or, pwede po kayong humanap ng agent via online. You can always find one online such as sa Facebook, sa Threads, sa Instagram, or even dito sa ating TikTok and YouTube. To apply online naman mga kasap, you can check my description box. Andyan lang guys yung ating step-by-step guide na pwede nyong sundan. And of course, andyan din yung ating link ng ating credit card ng PNB na pwede nyong i-click para ma-direct kayo sa website na yon. At pwede na kayo makapag-apply through online. For the pros and cons naman ng Zelo Mastercard ng PNB, this is my honest review. Number 1, it may be the best credit card sa lahat ng credit card na pwede nating hawakan kung ito ay may rewards points din na pwede nating tanggapin. Alam naman natin na ang PNB Zelo Mastercard is very competitive among others, kaya lang medyo mapapakamot na talaga tayo kapag wala tayong rewards na natatanggap kahit tayo ay gumastos or mag-spend ng 1,000 or millions pa kung may millions na credit limit. Pero it is regardless if you don't have any care about earning points in this credit card. Number 2, we have zero membership fee or annual fee, zero over limit, and zero late payment fees that make this card for keeps. Kaya lang, medyo mababang ating credit limit. Para sa ating big spender, medyo downside to dahil medyo mababa po ang ating credit limit. Pero siguro naman mga kasap, kung ito ay main credit card na ginagamit mo araw-araw or linggo-linggo, pwede ka naman increasean or kung medyo generous ang PNB para sa'yo, lalaki ang ating credit limit. Pero this is not for sure. Ang maganda rin dito mga kasap, kahit ang ating supplementary cards ay wala ring membership fee or zero annual fee for life din. Pangatlo mga kasap, it comes with one of the lowest finance charges and monthly interest rate in the market. Kasi mostly mga kasap, yung ating banks na nag-o-offer ng credit cards ay nagtaas na po sila ng 3% after the BSP's new interest cap. And PNB Zelo Mastercards, 1.88% remains the lowest. Kung tumaas man ito mga kasap in the future, hindi na gusto tataas ng sobrang taas. It won't be high as expected because lower finance charge rate is just one of the feature of this card. Number 4, it also offers possibly the lowest minimum amount due per month. Kasi mga kasap, most of the credit cards require a minimum payment per billing cycle equivalent to 3% to 5% of the total amount due. Pero dito sa ating PNB Zelo Mastercard, it offers 2.5% lang po for total due or 200 pesos, whichever is higher. So, there's no reason for you to miss making an on-time payment, even just the minimum amount required. Diba? 200 pesos lang guys yan. So, hindi ka na guys dyan mamumulubi. Number 5, meron din naman silang ino-offer na wide range of discounts and promos sa ating PNB partner merchants and shops. Even during the mega sales of major e-commerce platforms, PNB tends to be generous as well in giving coupons and discount codes. Just subscribe to email and SMS notifications. Number 6 mga kasap, mas madali po mag-apply kapag meron pong mag-guide sa inyo. Kaya mas okay mga kasap kung hahanap kayo via online or sa bank mismo ng teller o ng agent na mag-guide sa inyo kung paano mag-apply. Pero ang application po natin dito ay hindi po 100% na ma-approve. Ang PNB po ay medyo strict and meticulous po sa ating documents na isasubmit. Kaya much better po na seek for the agent na mag-guide po sa atin. Sometimes mga kasap, kapag wala tayong accounts sa PNB or wala tayong existing na credit card, mag-expect tayo na kailangan nating magpa-open ng account sa kanila bago tayo ma-aprobahan. So, it's case-to-case basis mga kasap, no? Number 7, it is very convenient to check the status of your credit card application. Meron po tayong PNB official website that comes with a feature where you can check the status and progress of your application after a few days or weeks. Kailangan mo lang guys ng reference number and your birth date para ma-find out mo kung yung application mo ba is still in progress or approved or declined. So madali mo lang mahahanap or makikita kung ano ang resulta ng inyong application. Number 8 mga kasap, it may take days before payment get posted unless done with a PNB deposit account that is real-time. Ito naman guys ay typical na sa isang credit card na kapag ibang bangko yung ginamit mo sa pagbabayad ng bills, it takes days talaga. Actually, it takes 3 days. Hindi kasama ang Sabado at Linggo para yung bill mo ay ma-post or mag-reflect dun sa account mo. Yun. And lastly, mga kasap, pagdating sa pros and cons natin, pang-siyam, pagdating naman guys sa credit limit natin, medyo hindi po ganun ka-generous ang ating PNB Zelo Mastercard. Actually mga kasap, tulad ng sabi ko sa inyo kanina, I have 35,000 credit limit sa aking card. And hindi naman siya ganun kababa at hindi rin naman siya ganun kataas. Pero sa akin mga kasap ay okay lang kasi meron akong credit card na iba pa na mas mababa doon ng credit limit. It's enough for me to keep this credit card for a long time kasi ang dami nating benefits na pwedeng makuha dito. Although wala tayong rewards points na makukuha, pero yung features natin is napakaganda. And sabi ko nga sa inyo, kapag naubusan, may mahuhugutan. Kapag walang pambayad, huwag mangungutang. Kaya, apply na. Idagdag ko na rin guys sa pros ang design ng kanyang credit card, no? Kasi, simple lang siya pero ang ganda niya. Transparent siya mga kasap. Yan. Pero napakaganda niya, napaka-klase niyang tignan, no? Overall mga kasap, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, this credit card is the best for beginners and of course, for non-beginners. If you are big spenders, siguro hindi ito bagay sa'yo kasi big spenders ka kasi low credit limit. Pero kung ikaw ay isang estudyante or naghahanap ka ng credit card na pang first time mo, this is for you. PNB Zelo Mastercard. Maganda tong card na to guys. So thank you guys for watching. This is Marky De La Cruz. Please follow my other social media accounts. Sana meron ulit kayo natutunan sa akin. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. See you next time.